Good morning. Coming to you live from my house today. Let's just quickly talk about your assignment today. This should be a very short video, so hang in there. Here's what we're going to do today. The videos are not attached yet because I'm making one of them. But what I want you to do, I'm going to attach an assignment. I'm going to give you some quick instructions on how to do it and how much of it you have to do. Do not turn the assignment in. Okay, we're not going to be done with it. But I am going to do a check tomorrow when I see you to see if you got it done. Okay, so we're not done with it. Do not attach it. Do not turn it in. Just get it done. Then, once you're done with that assignment, and I don't anticipate it taking very long, I want you to watch the Khan Academy video. The Khan Academy video is going to introduce the first thing we're going to talk about this chapter, which is the spread of Islam. We've learned about what Islam is. Now we're about to talk about how Islam kind of spread throughout the world, and at a point where the rest of the world gave up on learning and gave up on advancement and art and all that stuff, the Muslim world took off and encouraged and embraced those things. So you're going to watch a brief Khan Academy video. Start that video at about 1:30 because the first 1:30 is a terrible introduction that has nothing to do with anything we're doing, but the last 6 minutes are fantastic. So after you do the assignment, watch that Khan Academy video. Let's talk about that assignment real quick. This is what I'm asking you to do. This is up here. This top part is review. These are all vocab questions from a previous chapter, the chapter we did on the basic beliefs of Islam. And what I want you to do is I want you to type in your definition right here, what I think it means for each one of them from what you remember. Okay? And it's okay to guess. Like if you don't remember what a Musayn is, and there's probably a few of you that don't, give your best guess. Okay, give it the best guess that you got. I hope you guys remember what Islam, Muslim, and Allah, and mosque are, and Quran. These last two might be a little more difficult, but give your best guess if you don't remember. Then I want you to go to Google, and here's the deal. Normally I tell you not to copy and paste, but this one time I'm asking you to. But I want you to find a definition for each one of these on Google that you understand. Remember, we never put anything in an assignment that we don't know what it means. So find a definition, not necessarily the first definition you find, but a definition from dictionary.com or Wikipedia or whatever that is understandable for 7th grade you, and then put it in here. Okay, if I'm finding 84 letter words and words that you would have to write to your congressman to know what they mean in here, then you didn't do it right. Okay, so find a definition that makes sense to you, and then go ahead and copy and paste it right in here. That's not plagiarism because I'm asking you to do it. This is not you passing off someone else's work as your own. This is you passing off someone else's work as their own because I wanted you to do that. So define these, 7 words on your own. What do you think it means? And then go get the definition from Google. Then we do this second part here. You're going to look these words up on Google again. Again, find a definition that makes sense to you, words you would use. Except for the technical words, which you probably would never use anyway. And then you're going to tell me, what does that mean? Or you're going to look up and you're going to read about Shahada. And you're going to tell me more than just the definition, what's the deal with Shahada? Okay? So Shahada is more than the definition. You're going to find some other interesting or important information about it here. Okay? And then you are going to summarize in your own words. This is not a copy and paste. You're going to say, look, here's the definition. Here's what I learned about Shahada when I did a brief search. And here's the basic what Shahada is. And then same with Salat. What is it? What did I find from Google? Like a great definition that makes sense. What does it actually mean? Like what's the deal with Salat? And then afterwards, here's what I think Salat is. Okay? All you have to do today is this and this. You do not have to do part 3. You do not have to write your little essay. Okay? When you get these 2 filled out, you're done. When I check tomorrow to see if you did your work, I'm just going to see if you did these 2 things. Okay? Then once again, when you're done, go ahead and watch that Khan Academy video. I think it's going to be about 6 minutes after you get rid of the first 1.5 minutes. Okay? And it's going to be a great introduction. Okay? Any questions? You need to email me, not Miss Mulligan. She's in college today. And if you have any, if you're stuck on anything, I'll be more than happy to do a quick Zoom call with you if you need anything. Okay. If you need anything at all, please, please, please let me know.